Introducing the brand new DCG 407 and 408 brushless 125mm grinders from Dewalt. Now these look very similar, and that is because they are essentially the same grinder, but with a key difference depending on your preference. One over here has a lock-on switch, whereas this one has a paddle switch. So whatever works better for you when you're on the job site, you can take your pick out of these two. Now these come with a brand new feature from Dewalt, which is a combined cutting and grinding guard. No more faffing around on job sites. You can simply clip on the base of the guard and you have a cutting guard, and you can take it off and you have a grinding guard. Really easy, and just makes that life that little bit easier. And as you know, on the job site, every second counts. Now these are two solid grinders with Dewalt's brushless technology inside, so you know you are going to see increased runtime from your batteries, more power, and overall better performance with less maintenance. And of course, they run on Dewalt's 18-volt battery platform, so you know they can run on FlexVolt, Power Stack, and their standard 18-volt batteries as well. Ultimate flexibility. So there you have it. If you're looking for two really reliable, solid bits of kit with, to be honest, preference on the type of trigger you want, check out these brand new grinders from Dewalt, available now at its.co.uk.